What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I look at BABA every Wednesday, every Friday, so let's take a look at what happened since Wednesday. You can see that price did move up higher, just slightly from the 76 to the 77, $78 level, just the high 77. And looks like price is still within this green upward channel. So that tells me that the momentum towards the upside has been intact, meaning it's still moving up at the same angle of degree, angle towards that $80 level. So I'm expecting price to move up a little bit more higher towards the opposite side of this orange downward channel. And then that will be retesting also that breakout point at the $80 level, because that $80 level was a very strong support in the past. That's where that triple bottom occurred, right, or back over here. And then price broke below it, pulled back, found resistance. Now price is trying to come back in to find it as resistance once again, or we could break above it and start finding support. So short term, it is bullish because price is moving up higher, but medium to long term, we still have resistance levels in the way. We still have measure move targets towards the downside. The bears are trying to get the price, to a certain area on the chart. And that's what these measure move targets help you identify where they're trying to move the price to. So, it's leaning towards the downside. So the first target will be the 58 and then the 52. Price is also below this trend line right here. So every swing high, every major swing high, has been lower than the previous one. So that shows signs of weakness. So again, longer term, it's still leaning towards the downside. Short term is upside. Which means, the short term could turn the long term prediction bullish also, something like that. If the short term is really bullish, then that can change the long term picture. But as of right now, the long term picture is still towards the downside, but the short term picture is still towards the upside. So we'll see what happens for BABA in the next coming weeks, coming months. But that's all I have on the daily chart. Basically, price is still within this green upward channel. It's above the EMA. It's still slightly trending up higher. Not that strong, so it might get rejected from the $80 level. If you can break above it, I want to see a break above this trend line right here at the mid 80s to the high 80s, and then we could probably see much more further upside. But until then, that's all I have for BABA on the daily chart. Here's a look at the weekly chart, and you see that price is very close to its all-time lows at the $57 level. If we do a measuring tool, I think it's right over here. Let's see if I can find the, forgot what the measuring tool is, but is it this one right here? Nope. So, this one right here. So from the all-time lows, we're only, 31% drop from there. So we're very close to all-time lows, about 20 to 25 points. So a lot of people are bearish on Chinese stocks and the Chinese, country as a whole, but they're being bearish near the all-time lows. So this could be, where people are really hating Chinese stocks. It could be the turning point, in the 2024. We'll have to wait and see. But as right now, weekly chart tells me that, most of the drop has been done. We could definitely still continue lower. But I would say, we're probably not going to be seeing, 90% drops from here. I doubt it. So I'm just saying, it's coming to an end because this was a low in the past at 2015, 2016. It could be a low in the future as well. So we'll see what happens. But as right now, price is still trending lower. It's still below the weekly EMA, below this trend line. If we can see price strongly rally out of here, I think we can see, a very large move up in the next coming months. But until then, short-term bullish, long-term bearish for BABA. That's what the chart is telling me. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.